What is up, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon. Welcome to Crypto Review Central. If you're an investor or are just interested in the blockchain technology space, hit that subscribe button because I provide daily market analysis as well as trending topics, and I have a doozy of a good video for you today. So if it's happening in this cryptocurrency space, you can be sure to find it right here. There has been so many rumors of institutional investment on the sidelines waiting to get in, as well as a ton of updates from Coinbase investigating 5 new assets to be added in addition to their announcement that they are adding Ethereum Classic. Everybody is waiting for this bear market to find a full trend reversal, and realistically, we might have found it in the last couple of days. I'm happy to report that Bitcoin saw incredible upward movement just yesterday. Having a look at the trading view chart on Bitmex, we can clearly see on the 16th it went from 6,300 all the way up to 66. Having a few more candles close to the upside, finally finishing off at 6,700. And as you can see, based on previous price action, we've been lower than that since the beginning of June. As soon as the price broke all of this resistance levels that had been set very recently, the price boomed all the way up to 7,400, where we are right now. There's a lot of speculation as to why that happened. The reality of the situation is FOMO is back on track. There's posts of Lamborghinis, posts of Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, and posts of the next big revolution that is going to sweep the world. All of that is complete speculation, so do your own research, take everything with a grain of salt, and realize that popular media publications such as Forbes are going to spin it in whatever way is going to generate the most clicks. I have this little spot highlighted here because this is the financial advice that you're getting out of Forbes. On the other hand, buyers are eager to find sellers so that they can buy low and sell high. Monumental advice, obviously, from Forbes, just trying to capitalize on this big move. No disrespect to Forbes, they're trying to appeal to the masses, so I understand why they would say that, why they would come out with that, but the discussion on Reddit quickly points that out. It's the best technique. This guy is smart. I'm going all in, and it's really further indications that you need to do your own research. Big moves that happened yesterday did happen on Bitmex, with a ton of Bitcoin shorts getting liquidated. As you can see, a ridiculously large number of Bitcoin was processed on Bitmex yesterday. Big Rex at Big Rex on Twitter is the best way for you to keep yourself up to date on the order book from Bitmex, and this is really what caused that big pump. Who's behind it? Nobody really knows, and is it the first of many to come? If the institutional investment speculation that's been rampant in the past few weeks is any indication, I'm kind of thinking in the back of my head that there might be some big organizations kind of grinning ear to ear right now, knowing that they are about to buy up a ridiculously large amount of Bitcoin, and that this market is going to see a really good run, much like what happened in late 2017. I'm really hopeful that we can blow past $300 billion and approach $500 billion once again, and as a result, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market will be once again catapulted into the public eye, getting a lot of institutions involved and a ton of interest from retail investors. Now we are going to look at Dark Energy's most upvoted chart that doesn't include the crazy big run from yesterday, but does include the run from a couple of days ago, talking about 2 possible scenarios. One being that we might see some consolidation, because looking at the RSI, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is overbought right now. So we could, in theory, go back to 7,100 before we find support and a continuation of this upward move. Scenario number 2 is we see a significant retracement bringing us lower than 6,700 and back into the territory that we just came out of. Nobody really knows the future. All we can do is to continue to monitor these markets, but it is the first real big sign of upward indication in these markets. We've been waiting for it for a long time. I've been reporting the daily ebb and flow, all the drama around John McAfee, a ton of new projects getting listed, and all this institutional investment have been the highlight of discussion. I really hope that the close of July ends up being a ton of bull run talk and numbers that we haven't seen in Bitcoin in some time. It's very refreshing, so stay tuned. Keep it locked right here at Crypto Review Central. Smash that like button if you found this video informative. Subscribe and join the community of the CRC crew. Thank you once again for watching, and stay tuned for any pending signals of upward movement and more coverage on all of the awesome assets in this market. And I'll see everyone tomorrow.